piloted by Group Captain Johnny Stringer. The Lancaster crew, Flight Lieutenants Tim Dunlop, Seth Davey as a captain and co-pilot respectively, and the navigator is squadron leader Russ Russell. So the Lancaster, a famous bomber, designed by Roy Chadwick, who also designed the Vulcan that we'll be seeing in about 50 minutes time, 40 minutes time I should say. Amazing that one man could design two such iconic bomber aircraft.